Professor Susan Clark, and I'm head of the Genomics and Epigenetics Division at the Garvan Institute of Medical Research. So we work on endocrine-resistant breast cancer, and we're looking at changes to the DNA and how that's responsible for initiating breast cancer. From Cancer Council, we were very lucky this year to receive funding for 3 years. So we work on estrogen receptor positive breast cancer, and that's the most common breast cancer that women develop. 70% of women develop ER positive breast cancer, and they go on endocrine therapy. But unfortunately, over a quarter of those women eventually will develop resistance to that therapy. So we're asking the question of what is the fundamental mechanism that is responsible for endocrine resistance. So using this grant, we're hoping to exploit our new exciting discoveries. So what we have found recently is that the DNA structure is altered at regions that are responsible for endocrine resistance. And in this grant, we plan to look at these regions in more detail to develop new biomarkers that will predict which women will respond to therapy and which ones won't. And secondly, we'll use the grant to look at a new epigenetic therapy, a new way of being able to extend the response of women to current therapies. We know that cancer is one of the highest killers, and in particular breast cancer. And even though we are getting closer and closer to be able to understand more about cancer, what we're finding is that cancer is just not one disease. Every woman has a different cancer subtype, and it's only by researching that we'll be able to fine-tune and give personalised therapy for each patient. Without your generous support, we would not be able to be so far ahead that we are with our research, and we're excited by what we do. I've got an amazing team of young scientists that are all developing their careers as well to try and move this problem forward.